YouTube, it's your boy J Miles. Today we're back with another video. Today we're gonna be doing chicken and waffles. So yeah, check it out. And here you have is the chicken. Since I'm gonna use some legs and thighs, since those are my favorite chicken pieces. And also I'm gonna be using the syrup, and also I did this pancake / waffle mix. Since I'm gonna be using that, since I didn't have time to make it homemade, but I will and stuff. So yeah, and plus here's my waffle iron that I got from that I got today, since it got delivered, so that's why I ordered it. The flour, the seasonings, and the pan, and that's all. And I'm gonna keep you updated once I get started with the chicken first. Hey guys, I'm back. So I just got the chicken out. I right after it's been thawed, and don't worry though, I just rinsed it real good and dried real good. That way, so I don't have any problems out of the chicken and stuff. So yeah. But what you need to do first, just add your seasoning. All you gotta do, just add you some Tony's. Gotta add you some of that. Gotta add some Tony's. Okay, once you added the Tony's, all you need to do, just add your little salt. Not that much. You gotta add your dab of salt. Okay, once you added the salt, what you need to do, just add you some black pepper. Yeah, I gotta do it so hard. Yeah. Okay, once you add the pepper, all you need to do, just add you some lemon pepper seasoning, so it can give a little flavor. Just a little, so yeah. And last but not least is some minced onion. So that's why I gotta add that. Yeah, once you added all those seasonings, all you do, just mix it in until the seasonings combine with the chicken and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna mix it in and stuff. So yeah, and I'm gonna keep you updated once I get the chicken mixed in. Hey guys, I'm back. So once you got your chicken mixed in with the seasonings, all you need to do, just put the chicken in the flour, and boom, we're ready to fry it and stuff. So yeah. And I'm gonna keep you updated once I get the flour and stuff set up. Okay, once you got your flour and stuff set up, since the type of flour I use is some flour, but it doesn't bother me. Okay, once you got your flour set up in the Ziploc bag, all you gotta do, just add your pieces, like some dogs, legs, or whatever. Okay, once you add a few pieces in there. Once you close the bag, all you gotta do, just shake it up. That's all you gotta do. Just shake it up, and boom. The flour's all covered and stuff. So yeah. And I'm gonna keep you updated once I get the chicken into the flour. Hey guys, I'm back. So once you got your chicken shaken up into the flour, and here what it's gonna look like. So yeah. Chicken covered in flour and stuff. So yeah. Once you did that, all you do, just put your couple pieces into the tray. But I'm gonna show you that always and stuff. So yeah. And I'm gonna keep you updated once I get the chicken into the tray, and I might set up the fryer for the oil. So yeah, I'm gonna keep you updated on that. Hey guys, I'm back. Once you got your chicken onto the tray, and here's what it's gonna look like. Yeah, chicken on the tray, but I'm gonna do now. Just gotta get the fryer set up so I can heat the oil up and stuff. So yeah, and I'm gonna keep you updated once I did that. Hey guys, I'm back. So once you got your fryer and stuff set up, but what you need to do, just turn your fryer on to like 400. That way, so the chicken will cook good and stuff. So yeah. Once you did that, all you gotta do, just add you some canola oil. just use vegetable oil and any other oil that you like and stuff. So yeah, but in this family we use canola oil, which is good though. So yeah, okay, once you got the oil into the fire, all you need to do just let it heat up and stuff. So yeah, and I'm gonna keep you updated once the oil is heated up for the chicken. Okay, once you got your chicken nice and fired up, and here's what it'll look like. A chicken that is gonna be ready to fry and stuff. So yeah, for the chicken and waffles and stuff. So yeah, and I'm gonna keep you updated once the fire heats up. Hey guys, I'm back. Hey, once your oil is heated up and ready to be fried, all you need to do is just get your couple pieces out. Yeah, just do what you like. Put your cup on. And shake this chicken up a little bit. And sorry about that. Oh, yeah, that's okay. Calm down. You gotta shake it up. But it'll do and stuff, so yeah. And I'm gonna keep you updated once I take care of my dog back and the chicken's frying. Hey guys, I'm back. So once your chicken is still frying, here's what it's gonna look like. Almost golden brown, but all we gotta do is just wait for it to be golden brown and stuff. So yeah, here's what it's gonna look like once it starts frying up. So yeah, and I'm gonna keep you updated once the first batch is frying up and golden brown. Hey guys, I'm back. So once your chicken is frying up to like a nice steaming golden brown, and boom, here's what your chicken is gonna look like. Yeah, once you drain off the grease, all you need to do is just put it into this other tray. And I'm gonna keep you updated. Sorry about the noise though, dog trouble and stuff. So yeah, and I'm gonna keep you updated once I show you the chicken. Hey guys, I'm back. And once you got your first batches of chicken out, here's when it's gonna look like fried chicken in the tray, and that's what we want and stuff. So yeah, and I'm gonna keep you updated once I get the second batch in. Hey guys, I'm back. So once you got the second batch out, all I do now is just let it cook up, and boom, do the same thing. Leave it golden brown and stuff. So yeah. And I'm gonna keep you updated once the second batch is done. Hey guys, I'm back. So once your second batch is done frying up, here's what it's gonna look like. All nice and golden brown. Quiet that. Yeah, all you gotta do is just drain the grease off and put it in the same tray and stuff. So yeah, and I'm gonna keep you updated once I get the third batch in. Hey guys, I'm back. I got the third batch in, but all you gotta do now is just let it cook. So yeah, and I'm gonna keep you updated once the third batch is golden brown. Hey guys, I'm back. So the third batch is like golden brown. Check out his beauty. Looking like fried chicken. So yeah, all you gotta do is just drain the grease off a little. And bam. That's how we do this stuff, so yeah. And the last batch is the fourth batch. So this is gonna be the last fourth batch. Shake it. And then let the last 3 cook, and I'm gonna keep you updated once the last 3 are done. Hey guys, I'm back. So finally the fourth batch, which is the last one, is finally done. All you gotta do is do the same thing. Drain the grease off. Yeah, you gotta drain that grease off. And boom. Onto the tray and stuff. So yeah, turn it off. Just so you know we're done. Unplug it and stuff. So yeah, and I'm gonna keep you updated once I give you a look at that chicken. Hey guys, I'm back. So the fried chicken is is finally done and cooked and stuff. So yeah, so here's the fried chicken. Yeah, check out this golden brown. Crispiness of the chicken. Crispiness of the chicken. Yeah, the crispiness of the chicken. I can't wait to eat this. But I gotta make the waffles first. And I'm gonna keep you updated once I get everything set up so I can make the waffles. Hey guys, I'm back. Once you got yourself a bowl, all you gotta do just pour you the pancake / waffle mix. Just make too much. And just a hair though. So yeah. Okay, and once you did that, all you gotta do just add you 1 cup, but I gotta have a cup of water. But all I'm gonna do just add 1 cup of water just in case. Once you did that, all you gotta do just stir it in. Yeah, and I'm gonna keep you updated once I get the batter situated. Hey guys, I'm back. Once you took care of that half cup, all you do just add you a little bit, some more 1 cup of water. And boom, once you did that, just keep on doing the same thing, just stirring it in. Stirring it in until it's all well combined and stuff. So yeah. And I'm gonna keep you updated once I start the footage. Hey guys, I'm back again. Yeah, so you can tell that the stuff is finally thicking up, but I'm gonna make it into a batter just the way we like it. Once you add that half a cup of, all you gotta do just add your half a cup of water. Just stir it in. But sorry for that. About that. My words are kind of getting messed up. That's what I said, but I had to quit doing that. Just gotta keep stirring it in until it's like a batter and stuff. So yeah. And better yet, add the rest and do the same thing. So yeah, just keep on stirring it in until it's like that and stuff. So yeah. And I'm gonna keep you updated once it's like a batter. Hey guys, I'm back. Once you got your pancake batter mix into a batter, that's what it's gonna look like. That's what we're looking for. But yeah, but you gotta keep stirring it since we got those lumps. We don't want that in there and stuff. So yeah. And I'm gonna keep you updated once I get the lumps taken care of. Hey guys, I'm back. Yeah, once you got your batter situated, but boom, there it is. No more lumps, but just a little though. But yeah, and that's what we want is waffle batter, ready to be making into waffles and stuff. So yeah, and I'm gonna keep you updated once I get the waffle iron set up. Okay, once you got your waffle iron plugged in, ready to go. But what I need to do just put it on 4 minutes. Or maybe 4.5 and stuff. So yeah. And I'm gonna keep you updated once I get the waffle iron open. Hey guys, I'm back. So once you got your waffle iron turned on, all you gotta do just open it up and wow, check out that baby waffle iron. Get your little cooking spray. You spray it on top that way so it won't stick a little and stuff. So yeah. And that's what you gotta do. All you gotta do, just close it. And I'm gonna keep you updated once the batter is ready to be put in the iron so it can be turned into waffles. Get it? Peace out. Keep you updated. Hey guys, I'm back. Once you see that green light, all you need to do just dab it on a little batter that way, so I won't try to add too much. Okay, and once you did that, all you need to do just close it and let the waffles begin to cook and stuff. So yeah, and I'm gonna keep you updated once the waffles are done cooking. Okay, once the waffles has been cooking for like over 2 minutes, all you do just check it and bam. That's what we want. Waffles. Get it? All you gotta do, just take them out. And I'm gonna keep you updated so I can show you the difference. Hey guys, I'm back. So, shabam, that's how you make a waffle. So yeah, check out this goodness of the waffles. All nice and crispy and stuff. So yeah, and that's what the waffles is gonna be like and stuff. So yeah. And I'm gonna keep you updated once I put the second match in. Since I'm not gonna film the whole thing. Hey guys, I'm back. So yeah, once you got your first batch taken care of, what I do just do the same thing. Better yet, I'm gonna add a little more. Yeah, check it out. And that's how you do it. Once you did that, do the same thing. Wait until it's done cooking and stuff. So yeah, and I'm gonna keep you updated once the waffle is done cooking the second batch. Hey guys, I'm back. If you do see that green thing, oh yeah, that means the waffles are done and stuff. So yeah, let's check it out. And bam, check it out. Waffles. So yeah, all you gotta do just take them out, do the same thing. Yeah, be careful. And bam. And I'm gonna keep you updated once I show you the difference. Hey guys, I'm back, and shabam, that's how you do it. That's how you make waffles from waffle iron and stuff. So yeah, and I'm gonna keep you updated once I cook the whole. Let's see, cook all those waffles. And I'm gonna keep you updated once I'm done. Hey guys, I'm back, and voila, there you have it. All nice and fluffy. Golden waffles are finally done. So yeah. And yeah, and I'm gonna keep you updated once I get to the waffle iron. Hey guys, I'm back. Check it out. Bam, that's how this waffle iron works and stuff. So yeah, but all I gotta do now just unplug it and then bam, let it cool out for a second and stuff. So yeah, there you go. That's how you make chicken and waffles. So yeah, I can't wait to eat me some chicken and waffles. Booyah. So yeah, and I'm gonna keep you updated once I get my plate set up. Hey guys, I'm back. So there you have it. Chicken and waffles being ready to prepare. But first, got the butter and also a little thing of syrup. And that's how we roll and stuff. So yeah. Okay, that's enough syrup. And I'm gonna keep you updated once I get my thumbnail. Hey guys, I'm back. So here it is. Moment of truth. Chicken and waffles. The waffles covered in butter and syrup. And here's the fried chicken. So yeah, chicken and waffles. So let's give it a taste test in 3, 2, 1. Let's check out the waffles since we know. Yeah. Check it out. All ready to be eaten stuff. So yeah. Some good waffles. Now for the chicken. Yeah, check it out. Nice and crispy. Yeah, and I'm gonna keep you updated once I get through my chicken and waffles. Hey guys, I'm back. So the chicken and waffles that I had is super good. Finally, super good. So check it out. Eaten by me, and here are the waffles. All nice and good. And the chicken too. Yeah, the fried chicken looks nice and good. Chicken and waffles. So that's how you make it and stuff. So yeah. Yeah. And that's gonna leave for it's a wrap and stuff. So yeah. WayTube, that video's gonna go up on Sunday if you get a chance. So yeah. WayTube, if you're new to this channel, please give it a like, share, and subscribe. And also hit that notification bell if you get a chance. So yeah. WayTube, I'm gonna wrap this up, and it's been a boy J Miles. Peace out. Hope you liked the chicken and waffles video. Peace out.